Imagine this. You're staring at a crypto chart, watching prices fluctuate like a heartbeat monitor. Green candles ignite FOMO. Red candles trigger panic. The market seems chaotic, unpredictable, until you realize something most people don't see. Crypto isn't just charts and news, it's data. And hidden within that data are the secrets to spotting the next 100x gem before anyone else. 1. The illusion of public information. The average investor relies on Twitter trends, news articles, and influencer hype. But the truth? By the time something is trending, you're already too late. Real money moves before the news breaks. And the key to spotting it? On-chain data. While the masses rely on price charts, the real pros are tracking blockchain transactions in real time. Every single trade, every wallet movement, every liquidity shift, it's all out there, waiting to be decoded. The secret weapon, whale watching. What if you could see the exact moment a crypto whale starts accumulating a low-cap gem before anyone even knows it exists? Well, you can. It's all on the blockchain. How? Tools like Etherscan, Nansen, and Arkham Intelligence allow you to track large wallet movements. Here's what happens. A wallet that previously held millions in early Solana or Ethereum suddenly starts accumulating a low-cap token. No announcements, no hype, just silent buying. A week later, influencers start talking about it. 2 weeks later, it's on CoinGecko's trending list. By the time retail investors FOMO in, the whale is already preparing to sell. This isn't theory. It happens every single cycle. The winners? They track the money before it makes headlines. 3. The hidden patterns in pre-sales and DEX listings. Before a token ever reaches the public, there are clues buried in smart contract deployments and liquidity pools. Pre-sale wallet movements. If insiders are moving their allocations to private wallets instead of exchanges, they might be planning to hold rather than dump. Uniswap and PancakeSwap liquidity. When a new token suddenly receives deep liquidity injections, it's a sign that big players expect serious action. Clustered buys from anonymous wallets. If multiple fresh wallets start accumulating the same unknown token, it's often a coordinated move and a hint that something big is brewing. This is how real hunters operate. The biggest twist: the hype machine is backwards. Most people think hype creates value, but in reality, value creates hype. By the time an influencer tweets about a coin, the money has already been made. The real move? Follow the money before the noise starts. The game isn't about chasing trends, it's about front-running them. And now that you know the secret, it's time to go deeper. Because in the next chapter, we enter the world of launchpads, pre-sales, and the hidden opportunities before they hit the market. What do you think? This version transforms the chapter into a crypto detective's guide, showing how to track real financial movements instead of falling for hype. Let me know if you want any refinements. Blast off. Make this chapter feel like an exclusive backdoor invitation into the hidden world of launchpads and pre-sales. Describe it like a covert network where only those with insider knowledge get access to life-changing opportunities before the public. Build tension by showing how most investors never even see these tokens until it's too late. The twist? Getting into these early plays isn't about luck, it's about knowing where to look. Expanded version, the underground pipeline of 100x tokens. Welcome to the secret corridors of crypto. While most investors are buying after the hype, there's an entire underground ecosystem where tokens are secured before they ever hit the market. This is where the real money is made, not on CoinGecko's trending list, not on Twitter hype threads, but in private pre-sales, launchpads, and backroom deals. If you've ever wondered how some traders get into projects before they explode, it's because they aren't waiting for public launches. They're already positioned before the first candle prints on a chart. Let's break it down. The gateways to the underground. There are 3 main ways insiders get early access to potential 100x gems. A. Private pre-sales. The handshake deals, before a token ever reaches a DEX or CEX, it goes through a private funding round. This is where venture capitalists, whales, and influencers get massive discounts. sometimes 90% off public launch prices. Entry requires personal connections, private invites, or large capital. Many of these tokens never make it to public launch. They're bought, flipped, and offloaded before retail ever gets a chance. Example: imagine a coin launches publicly at $1, but early investors bought in at 5 cents. Even if the price crashes to 50 cents, insiders are still up 10 times, while retail investors panic sell at a loss. This is why launch price is not equal to true entry price. The real winners were in long before. B launch pads, the closest thing to an insider pass. If you don't have direct VC connections, crypto launch pads are your next best bet. Platforms like DAOmaker, Polkastarter, Binance Launchpad, Avalanche, Selenium. These are structured platforms that give retail investors a chance to invest early. But there's a catch. The problem? Many launchpads use a tier system where higher allocations go to those who stake the most tokens, favoring those with big money. Some projects still favor private deals over launchpad users, so even getting in isn't a guarantee of profits. But if you can get into the right launchpad projects, you're starting where whales start, instead of buying at a retail disadvantage. See fair launches, the unpredictable wildcards. While private sales and launchpads dominate the early market, some tokens take a different path. Fair launches. These projects skip VC funding and go directly to public sales. Often require quick action and high conviction. Have no insider advantage. Everyone enters at the same price. Example, tokens like Fair Launch Sheks or certain meme coins use this model, but fair launches are high risk, high reward, since without strategic backing, they either explode or vanish. The big twist: the game is open. If you know where to look, most people believe early access is reserved for the elite. But in reality, the system is hidden, not closed. Getting into the underground pipeline of 100x tokens isn't about luck. It's about tracking where insiders are moving money, on-chain sleuthing, joining and monitoring launchpad communities, where the whispers begin, positioning before announcements drop, so you're buying while others are clueless. Because by the time a coin hits Twitter, YouTube, or CoinMarketCap, the game has already been won. And in the next chapter, we'll go even deeper into the dark side of hype, manipulation, and exit strategies that can turn a promising gem into a brutal rug pull. What do you think? This version turns launchpads and pre-sales into a secretive underworld, making the audience feel like they're getting exclusive knowledge. Let me know if you want any refinements.